Hey guys, it's Tyson. Thanks for checking out the channel again. Today I got a quick unboxing video for you guys. It was sent to me by Jingle Mining, the team over there. They're all amazing. If you have anything to do with crypto, check them out for any orders. So they sent me actually a Goldshell LEO crypto mining box and some Jingle Mining crypto trackers. So if anybody wants to enter in a giveaway to win one of the trackers, then just comment down below, and I'll be giving those away in the future videos. I'm going to make another video going in farther depth, but let's get into it here and unbox this. Alright, so let's get this unboxed here. Perfect, the Goldshell manual and everything, and then we got the actual Goldshell home monitor box here. Pretty good little box. And then let's see what else is in here. We got the antenna,